Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha today laid the foundation stone for a major extension project for Tripura Bhavan at Bir Tikendrajit Marg in the national capital. The project is aimed at enhancing accommodation and administrative facilities for the people of Tripura visiting New Delhi. The extension project is estimated to cost approximately Rs 2.95 crore. According to the building plan, the new infrastructure will include 6 new guest rooms and 2 multi-purpose hall rooms. Speaking at the ceremony, the Chief Minister emphasized that the expansion is a crucial step toward better serving residents who travel to Delhi for medical treatment, higher education and official business. We are committed to providing modern and comfortable infrastructure to our citizens, ensuring they have a home away from home in the national capital, Dr. Saha stated.
Only 24 rooms, along with the big hall, which is being used as dormitory for the students or for players and all this thing. Now, if we resolve to connect Tripura with major metropolitan cities, this is our motto. Facilitate education, business, employment, healthcare, and cultural engagement. And it has become possible only because of our visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, and he wants that at this stage only 24 rooms, along with the big hall, which is being used as dormitory for the students or for players and all this thing. Now, if we
The foundation laying ceremony was attended by high-level delegation from the Tripura government and Legislative Assembly, including Sri Ram Prasad Paul, Deputy Speaker of the Tripura Legislative Assembly, Rajiv Bhattacharjee, Rajya Sabha MP, Tripura Cabinet Minister Tinku Roy, Kishore Barman, Santana Chakma, Vikas Debarma, Sudhanshu Das, among other prominent officials. Pure Report, Chini Khorang.